Welcome to this quick look and user guide for the Vapor Shark Hedron RX mod. The Vapor Shark Hedron is a large 3-battery device that feels very solid. With a large OLED display, the Hedron is powered by the Wismec RX 200 board, offering 200 watts of power and fully featured temperature control. The Hedron is ideally suited for atomizers up to 25mm in diameter. The battery door is held in place by 4 strong magnets. The battery compartment uses gold-plated contacts and is clearly marked. Ensure to use 3 new and matched high-quality 18650 batteries with this device and fit as shown. With mods that use multiple batteries, it is always highly advised to use a matching set of batteries that will only be used with that particular device. The batteries are very easy to fit into the Vapor Shark Hedron, and the door is held firmly in place. Press the button 5 times to turn on the Hedron. The positive and negative buttons will alter the wattage up to 200 watts. The Hedron firmware update is incredibly quick and easy to install and lifts the power to a maximum of 250 watts. Press the fire button 3 times to access different modes and parameters. From variable wattage mode, pressing the positive button will cycle between temperature sensing for nickel, titanium, stainless steel and TCR, temperature coefficient of resistance, and back to variable wattage mode. Press the fire button to confirm the desired mode. When in TC mode, the positive and negative buttons will adjust the desired temperature setting. By pressing the positive, it will round robin between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Whilst in TC mode, press the fire button 3 times and press the negative button to alter the wattage, and press fire to confirm. When TCR is selected, pressing the fire button 3 times followed by the negative button and then the positive will allow the user to cycle between 3 user preset TCR values or memories. To enter the TC values, press the fire button 5 times to power down the Hedron, and then simultaneously press and hold the fire button and the positive button. The 3 memory locations will be displayed. The temperature coefficient of resistance values can then be set. To exit, press the fire button 5 times. The Vapor Shark Hedron also features a timer, amp draw meter and puff counter that the user can choose to have on the display. Pressing the fire button will confirm the option to be displayed. The counters can be reset by holding the fire button as shown. By pressing the fire button 3 times again and cycling the negative button, the battery meter can be changed from graphical to percentage. In temperature control mode, or TCR, the resistance can also be locked using this method. When pressing the fire button in temperature control mode, the coil temperature will be displayed on the screen. In wattage mode, the display will show the timer. There are a couple of other features that are not shown in the supplied manual. With the unit powered off, press the fire button 10 times to show the internal temperature of the Hedron. Pressing 20 times will show the firmware version. Pressing the fire and negative buttons simultaneously will show the voltages of each battery. By pressing both the positive and negative button together, the display can be rotated 180 degrees. Turning the unit off and pressing both buttons again to rotate back. With the Hedron powered on, press the fire and negative button to turn the display into stealth mode. The display will remain black when in use. Press again and the display will return. Finally, whilst the Hedron is turned on, press both the positive and negative button together to lock the values from being accidentally adjusted. The unit will still fire, but the values will not be able to be changed. Press again to unlock. In collaboration with WiseMech, Vapor Shark have succeeded in creating the Hedron to offer maximum value and great performance to vapors on any budget. Thank you for watching this user guide for the Vapor Shark Hedron.